And Kevin has one of the best seats or standing room spots in the house. We are green flag here. 214 gonna rocket to the lead, working his way through the infield, battling with the 420. Here they go, smashing pumpkins as they go through the infield. The 2 is your leader. 20 and the 71 right there in Joe. Working his way down into the infield. 214 gonna get blue. Here comes the 420 in the lead.
Boom! Boom! We got a jam.
Traffic jam down in the infield. The 420, he is your leader, working his way back into the infield. Through the infield, gingerly, all those pumpkin juice and guts are spewed everywhere. 420, he is your leader. Working his way back into the infield here. 71 charging. The 2 Santos recycling truck right there. They are battling for second spot. Calm, cool, and collective so far here. 420 has a rear view mirror full of the 71. Here comes the 2 with a push back into the infield. 2 looking for positioning. 420 looking to save the lead here. Here comes the 2 to the outside. Down into NASCAR turn 4. Here comes the 71 taking the lead. The 71 will go to the lead. Oh! Your leader working through the infield. It's the 71 and then the 2. The 420 had issues. He's smoking over in NASCAR turn 3 and 4. Your leaders, they are working through NASCAR 1 and 2. Battle for the lead. Give it to the 2 now as the 71 goes into the wall. The 2 truck with the Santos recycling flag, that is your leader in the infield. The 97 spins in front of him.
There's a surprise.
Like a scene out of Mario. Banana peels everywhere except it's pumpkins. The 2 truck working through the infield, he's your leader. No competition behind him right now. He's sailing. 97 making a charge. The 2 more crash and chaos in the figure 8 infield. 2 truck continues to navigate. Tire smoke fills the air here at Seacon. Santos Recycling number 2 truck is your leader coming into the alternate start finish line there. Back into the infield, the 2 truck, your leader. Everybody else single file behind him. The 666 goes around at the alternate start-finish line. Here comes the 71 with a head of steam. Up front, the 2 navigates through the infield yet again. Continuing on as your leader. Working his way back into the infield. No one in tow behind him. The 2 Santos recycling truck. Smoke fills the air in NASCAR 3 and 4. They continue. Trucks disabled here, there, everywhere. That was a close one. Continuing to navigate. Trucks are getting beat up, sliding around. Up front, the 2 truck. Oh, that was a close one. 97 almost had him.
Oh, he's going after him.
Another opportunity coming. 2 truck gonna start to work his way down into the infield from turn 3. 97 coming. He navigates through that time. A little game of cat and mouse here. They continue, the 2 across the alternate start-finish line. Over in turn 1. Your leader. Plotting their moves. Oh! Got him! The 97 gets the 2. He'll continue on. They continue on. The 2 continues to lead, even though the contact there with the 97 that time around. He continues.
Oh, shit.
Coming past the alternate start-finish line.
Smoking.
666 goes around behind him. No competition for the 2 right now. Santos recycling flag waving. Here he goes into NASCAR turn 4. Down into NASCAR turn 3. Going to be coming to the twin sticks. This time it'll be 2 more circuits around. The 2 truck, other than one minor inconvenience, he has continued to smooth sail. 2 laps to go.
His tires want to fall off. Contact.
Smoke fills the air. The 2 truck is going to be coming to the white flag. He's over in NASCAR turn 4, contact with the wall for the 97 at the start-finish line. More calamity in the infield.
That might have just done it into that 97.
Here comes the 2 truck. White flag in the air. One more circuit around to navigate here. The track is slick. Pumpkins everywhere. Vehicles everywhere. The 2. The 2 continues to lead, battling with lap traffic, coming to the checkered flag. One more time through the infield.